Tommy with his very first tool bag. You have a starter set of tools because you are helpful. But listen, Tommy, it's not meant to be played with, eh? This isn't something that you play when your friends come over. These are your first tools.
Okay, look. Your safety glasses.
Tommy, these aren't toys. You know that, eh? This is only for when you're help building. Safety glasses.
What's that?
Yeah.
What's in here?
Those are all the bits that go on these kind of things. You see, look. And it's magnet, look. See? Look.
Now, is this something you're going to play with when we're outside?
Okay, so look, this one's just a regular one, okay? But then you have this one here, look. It goes in there too, look. Right? You push it in, but watch this. Look. Watch.
Ooh,
And then you go this way, and does the other way.
reverse.
Tighten.
Tighten?
Righty tighty. When it says R, look, R.
Yeah, right.
It's to tighten it. So the left is to loosen.
Loosey goosey.
Loose. L. So this one will tell you. See, like, I have to loosen it. Let me look. Oh, L, loosen it. R, righty tighty.
Righty.
Okay, so that is your.
I'll always remember.